Good morning, everyone. This is the pie party. Ah! I bounced on the table by accident. And, this is the very cold tower. Just like a chimney. And the pie cloud is right up there. Here is pepperoni pie. Pepperoni pie, yeah, and heart pizza. But this is pie. And here is the Clover table. Clover coffee table. And here is the pie thing and the pie. I don't know what that is. A pie carpet, a pie lamp, and chattering teeth. Get ready. Whoa, it jumps. It doesn't vibrate. It moves as fast. So, let me turn that off. There we go. And here is pie apple. And pie stepping stones and that is the snow fort. That is the pie party, so millions of animals will come. This is the best party place ever. Okay guys, thanks for watching.